So to get that time lapse that was at the beginning, what I did was I took my phone and a tripod and I duct taped the phone to the window to get the view that I wanted. It was completely worth me nearly dropping the phone out the window because the sky looked good. And it turned out to be an alright time lapse, right? Maybe we should get on with today's video. It's a busy day today, everyone, and also if my voice is a bit strange, it's because I'm ill. I've got a bit of a sore throat. That's why I'm drinking this stuff to try and get some vitamins in me. This is meant to have like 5 different pieces of fruit in it. I don't know, but we're gonna push through. Try and have some kind of productive day. I should really do some architecture work because I'm back at university in a few days. So let's start this episode off by doing a bit of sketching for that, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, real quickly, take a look at this technique I'm using for the trees. I'm simply creating small circular motions with the pencil, whilst also leaving small gaps in between them. That's everything, let's get back to it. So that's done and out the way, and I have more to do later, but first I want to break this episode up and talk a bit about a mechanical pencil I use as soon as I find it, because I have one that I use here, but I have some more somewhere as well. I've found this one, but this one's broken. It's missing loads of parts to it. I knew I'd found them here. Also, look at this little card drawing that I did from a while back. I always found these old drawings just laying around the house. But anyways, I found these. I knew they'd be in here. This is just my bedroom. Nothing too special going on in here other than a bed, TV, and this portable desk where I used to work. You've probably seen this in some of the old videos. I used to work on this portable table, and then I'd also have this portable chair over here. Not the best setup to work with, but before I had that upstairs, this is what I had to make do with. But now let's talk about these mechanical pencils. So I get a lot of you in the comments asking about these. It's called the uni-ball Kurutoga. Really good piece of equipment, and I'm not getting paid to say that if any of you think I am. I just actually think that these are some of the best mechanical pencils out there. And I'll tell you why in a second, but first, interesting fact. I've actually created loads of different realistic drawings only using this one mechanical pencil. For example, this Arnold Schwarzenegger drawing was done only using this. This drawing of Gandalf was done only using this. The light keeps reflecting off the drawings, but you get the point that I'm trying to make. And it's not just them two, it's a load of other drawings because I just used to only rely on this. So why is this so good? The uni-ball Kurutoga has this gear mechanism inside it which rotates the lead each time it comes into contact with the paper. And what this means is that it prevents the issue of chisel-shaped lead. What I mean when I say a chisel-shaped edge is basically this when you are using the pencil on one side and it sort of wears down. And I mean, you've probably experienced this before where you then turn the pencil over to use the sharp point. Except with the Kurutoga, you don't have to do that because it does it all for you. It means you're always working with a sharp point which lets you get fine and precise lines. And if you don't believe it, you can actually see when you are using it that the logo on the center gear rotates each time the tip touches the drawing surface. Along with everything else, it just looks cool. It's got this sleek, modern design. It really sounds like I'm doing some kind of advertisement for this product, but I'm really not. I'm just trying to express how useful this is. I've recommended it to friends. I've got all them using it now. Oh, I can't be getting this passionate when I still feel ill. But regardless, it's an awesome piece of equipment, and just on a quick side note, the lead that I use in this is by Pentel. It's 2B 0.5mm lead. Naturally, 2B is a good grade to use because it lets you get a range of different pencil shades. And so I just put some of that in here, and then I'm good to go. I can create whatever drawing I want. I swear my voice is getting worse as the day goes on, so I'm just going to stop talking now, do a bit of drawing, probably some more architectural work because I have this deadline coming up. It's basically this illustrated essay that has to be done, so it's quite boring, but it's not as boring as a normal essay because you get to draw, which means content for this channel. But through these episodes I am going to be doing drawings that are unrelated to the architecture course. This work though needs to be done. So as we come to an end, last episode I asked you all to send me some of your artwork over on Instagram, and there was a lot of submissions. There was a lot of you that sent me some great artwork. I'm always more than happy to receive work, and I love this idea of having a community where people share the same interests. And there was so many, but I am going to try and feature all of you eventually through these episodes. Obviously I just pick at random and in no specific order, so if it's yours then congratulations. But as this video comes to an end, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to creating some more Vlogumentation episodes for you. Other than that, have yourself a great day. I'll see you in the next one.